In this tutorial, we will work on setting up an email template. Many times the same email is used over and over again for corresponding with different clients. For example, you may want to send a price list to potential clients. Instead of typing this email every time, you can simply select an email template. To create a new template, navigate to the Email Templates section of the Settings tab. Click the New Template button and assign a name that your studio will use to identify the template. This name will not be seen by the client. Then, compose your email down below. First, give it a subject line and type the body of the email. You can also add variables into your template. Variables are simply placeholders of client or job information that auto-populate with specific information when you send the email to an actual client. For example, if I wanted the main contact's first name to show up here, I would choose that variable in the list by double-clicking it. I'll add a few more variables to the template. This toolbar allows you to customize various aspects of the email by changing font size and color or creating hyperlinks. Once your template is configured, make sure you save it. You can always edit, archive, or duplicate a template. When emailing a client, you can then select your template from your list. Notice how the variables auto-populate with information from the job. As you can see, email templates are definitely a time saver when corresponding with a client.